One of the best things about the VWAP is that it's time frame independent. Now, what does that mean? It means that the VWAP price is the same price on the 1 minute as it is on the 5 minute, as it is on the 15 minute. Unlike a moving average that changes values every single time you change time frames, the VWAP maintains its price. So here we are on the 1 minute chart on NQ, and we have 490 and a quarter as the value for VWAP. Now, if I jump to the 5 minute, VWAP is still at 491. Now here we are on the 15 minute. So this is a question I almost always get by newer traders with VWAP. Why are we seeing 493 on the 50 minute as opposed to the 491 on the lower time frames? A variance of 2 points. So this is really important to know. This is not a characteristic of the VWAP. This is a limitation of trading platforms. When it's calculating the volume weighted average price, it's doing so on a per bar basis. So the variance per bar can cause a small discrepancy in prices between timeframes. So traders are almost always saying, hey, Drysdale, I thought they were supposed to stay the same across timeframes. The reality is they are. Again, this is a platform limitation based on how your platform might calculate on a per bar basis. This is TradingView. They aggregate data so you can see this small variance. So what's the fix? You're always going to get more accurate levels on the lower time frame. So generally the 1 minute is going to be the best. So always take your VWAP price and its deviations from the lowest time frame you can. This is easy when you have multiple charts or even multiple monitors. You only need to see the VWAP on one of those charts. However, if you're limited on space, here's another fix. If you're on the 15-minute chart, go into the VWAP settings, scroll down to the bottom, and go down to the calculation settings. Here, you can change the time frame from the chart to whatever calculation chart you want to use. So in this case, we want to use the 1 minute. So now this will take the calculation from the 1 minute and overlay it on your higher time frame. So now you can see on the 15-minute, we have 491 and a quarter, the same as the lower time frame. So I hope that helped traders. For more educational videos on the VWAP wave system and trading VWAP in general, be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.